We all love to play board games like the Ludo, the Snake and Ladders, Monopoly, Business, and all that. It's fun playing. We roll the dice and accordingly we place the tokens in the boxes. Well, what is that thing that is common in all the board games? Can you guess? Yes, it is the dice. This dice is actually what is common in all the board games. Well, have you ever wondered what is actually the shape of this dice? Well, I can see that this dice has a face of a square and all its faces are actually the same size. That is, they all are squares. Now, what is a square? You know, it has two dimensions, that is length and a breadth, and both the dimensions are same. So, it is called an edge. Now, here we can see that it has multiple faces that are squares. But you can say that this dice is three-dimensional. It is having a height also. So this dice is actually a square with some height. So what do we call this shape as? Well, we call it as a cube. You have already studied about a cuboid. What is a cuboid? A cuboid is actually a rectangle with some height. In the same way, a cube is a square with some height or some thickness. Well, you know what are ice cubes, sugar cubes, Rubik's cube and all that. We use these in our daily life. Well, have you ever noticed that their name has this Rubik's cube? Now this cube is actually what we are talking about. Ice cubes, sugar cubes, they are actually the cubes which are having three dimensions such as the length, breadth and height. But what is the difference between this cube and cuboid? Let's see. Well, we know that a cuboid is three-dimensional as well as the cube is three-dimensional. That is, they have length, breadth and height. But what is the difference between this cuboid and cube? You can see that this cube is having a length, breadth and height. But it is not necessary that the cube will have all the three different or all the three same. It has a particular length, a particular breadth and a particular height. But in case of a cube, you can see that its length, breadth and height are actually the same dimensions, because the length of its side, the breadth of its side and the height of its side will always be the same. That is why it is called a cube. So you can actually say that a cube is a special case of a cuboid. It also has three dimensions like the cuboid, but the only difference is that all its three dimensions are the same. So now you know what is a cube. Now in daily life you have already seen such as ice cubes, paneer cubes and a gift box maybe. It is also a cube. Now you can easily make cubes out of cuboids. You can see that this paneer here is a cuboid. It is having a length, breadth and a height. But they are not the same. So this is a cuboid. And from this we have cut out equal sized cube. Now let's see actually how we can make this cube with a square. That is, from this two-dimensional object square, we are creating a three-dimensional object cube. Let's see how. Here we are stacking up some papers. So you know that this paper is two-dimensional. It is having a length and a breadth. But here see, along with this, it got a thickness. Making it what? Making it a cube. So, along with the length and breadth, it is gaining some thickness, making it a cube. So, you can tell me that yes, we can see the length. This is called the breadth. This is actually called the height. So now you are convinced that cube has 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. It is actually a square because all the faces of this cube is actually a square. So it is actually a square with some height. Now you already know that any solid that is in the shape of a box is called a cuboid. Now can that solid be a cube also? Let's see. Let us take an example of a box. Now this girl, she got this parcel and she opened it. Now here we can see a box. So the box actually opened something like this. So you can see that this box is actually a combination of several squares. This was actually a cube box and it is a combination of these kind of squares. Now you know what is a square? It has the same length and the same breadth. So here we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares, each having the same length and the same breadth, and the combination of these 6 squares actually combines to form a cube. So what is a cube? A cube is a special case of a cuboid, you know, because it has the same dimensions just like a cuboid, length, breadth and height, but the only difference is that it has length equal to breadth equal to height, unlike the cuboid. Now its face looks like a square. You take up any face, you will see that as the length and breadth are equal, it will give you a look as a square. Now can you find out the number of faces of this? Let's see. The number of faces are the number of sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 faces of a cube just like a cuboid. Now can you count the number of vertices? Now what are these vertices? That are number of corners in the cube. So we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 corners in a cube just like a cuboid. Now number of edges. What are these number of edges? The number of edges means the lines that are joining these vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges in a cube. Now you always remember that as we can see that a cube has length equal to breadth and height. So all the edges will be of the same length or the same breadth. That means all the edges will have the same measurement. So you can say that cube is a special case of cuboid which has length equal to breadth and height. Its face looks like a square and all its edges measure the same.